Sheesh. Bucket hella far away from the crib. Cold start. $182K. We got 3,210 miles on this oil. This whole sideways. Got our shit. We just left O'Reilly's. It's time to go back home. Get this oil change done for tomorrow. We're gonna hit the beach, bro. They gave me a spooky ghost pickle. Daytona low profile. It's reading kind of low, so let's see if it does have all the oil that it needs in there. All right, yo, this thing is still dripping. We're gonna get a small drip of it, put it around the O-ring of this new one. This is only 3,000 miles on this, so get that nice and lubricated. And we'll put this on for right now, meanwhile that fully drains out. There we go. So we got the drain plug and the oil filter back on. It's looking nice and clean. Time to put the oil back in. That looks like it's close to 5 quarts. I don't know, it's supposed to be 4.4, so that seems about right. Take our safety jack stand out. Bring our oil out. Make the mess. Get it away from the tires so it doesn't flip over. There we go. Yep, we're going old school. Water bottle for the funnel. Damn. Tried making one of those faces so it looks like the oil can is crying, but put a little too much muscle into it. We got everything back on. Meanwhile, that sits for a bit. Look at that, guys. No glittery oil. There's a bunch of dust sitting on the top, but damn, that makes me feel good. That's it for the Honda today. Tomorrow, we might make another video about what we do for a test drive. But other than that, let's try to get this channel to 1K subscribers. if we do, I'll be doing big giveaways. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go.